So, hello everyone and welcome to the end of the second day of SmallSat Europe 2025. And I'm here with my colleague Vanessa de Silva, the Head of Business Development at EmTroniX. My name is Remco Timmermans, I'm the Head of Communications at EmTroniX, and we spend the day here today. It's been a long day, I lost my voice. It's been a long 2 days in fact. Yeah, I lost my voice yesterday already. But we're here and we did many things on behalf of EmTroniX, of course. How have you spent your day today?
So today I actually spent quite a lot of time having conversations with equipment manufacturers, but a lot of platform providers as well, trying to understand kind of what the trends are, what are people wanting to do with their small sats, understanding kind of where payloads are evolving, and ultimately trying to understand, how we at EmTroniX can support them. So obviously payloads tend to be getting, more and more performance, bigger and bigger, more power hungry. Downlinking has been a very big topic, and trying to see, at the moment with our RF solutions, how do we align our roadmap with our customers' roadmaps, and then, what friends, what partners do we bring along on the journey? Those have been kind of the main topics.
So let's look a little bit about these trends.
Yep.
The trends that are relevant for us, as you say, as an RF specialist. What are these key trends? What can we expect in the next couple of years?
So Earth observation has been a very widely covered topic today. With these more and more performant payloads, people are trying to downlink larger amounts of data, but also at higher speeds. And at the same time, other areas such as defense and government type customers are looking for reliability. So I think that ultimately no single technology is going to be able to answer everything. So again, let's make friends, let's find people to work with. That's I think the direction that we're moving in. So people need to be teaming up in order to effectively solve customer problems.
Well, and we call it teaming up, but there was a lot of debate also in the conference about much needed integration, consolidation, less national views on things. How is that market developing? Because we see lots of government players traditionally in space. Now we talk about NewSpace a lot at EmTroniX. How is that evolving from this heavy government driven to a true commercial ecosystem?
So I think the current geopolitical landscape is actually helping people to evolve past those barriers. So again, Europe has a culture, right, of being made up of many different countries with their borders. And again, teamwork being the key word, we're realizing that we need to kind of evolve past that if we want to remain competitive.
Right. Your overall impression of this event, how useful is it for an organization like EmTroniX to be here?
So I found it very interesting. I was able to speak to a pretty wide variety of people, from people doing launchers to people building equipment to people building platforms, kind of getting a lot of different perspectives. There were sessions as well on regulatory challenges, on kind of what the state of funding is at the moment. So for us, especially at where we're at now, it was very helpful. A lot of helpful inputs and helping us to decide basically what our path moving forward is going to be.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Vanessa, for your insights.
You're welcome.
I very much share your feeling about how useful it is to really get into the market, because that's what you do here. You talk to the people who could be potential customers, potential partners, potential stakeholders in how we're going to develop our business. So thank you very much for joining me here at SmallSat Europe, and I'm pretty sure we're going to be back here next year, but at a few things in between as well, just to keep that feeler out in the market and keep adjusting our business model to what's happening in the industry at large. So thanks very much. Absolutely. And we'll be seeing you here at SmallSat Europe 2026, but before that at a few other events. So thank you. Bye-bye.